Welcome to our quick guide on uploading landscape videos to Instagram Reels. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Select the Reel option to upload your video. Remember, it should be in landscape format. Now, choose your landscape video from your gallery. Make sure it's eye-catching. You can trim your video, keep it tight for maximum impact. Aim for a dynamic feel. Add music, effects, or stickers to make it stand out even more. Let your creativity shine. Once satisfied, hit share to upload your masterpiece to Reels. Don't forget to write a catchy caption and add hashtags for visibility. Hit share again and watch your video take off as your friends enjoy the view. And that's it! You've just uploaded a stunning landscape video to Instagram Reels. Keep creating and sharing your breathtaking landscapes with the world. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, comment, and explore more tips.